Yesterday, the stock market took a dip, bringing down my portfolio a couple $100, and of course, I should be panicking, right? But no, I see it as a good opportunity to pick up some more of my holdings at cheaper prices, which mean I get a higher dividend yield on them. And let's go right into my dividend portfolio, which is this one right here. It is valued at $13,260, up over 3%, which is nice. It still looks good. It's still in the green. But this week, I'm only going to be depositing $100. I'm not going to be depositing anything extra. But my main focus is going to be the same two stocks that it's been my focus the past couple of weeks. And no, this is not a repeat, but it is going to be Johnson & Johnson and Starbucks. Starbucks, 6.5 shares already. I was under 4 shares a couple weeks ago, but I just been buying the dip under $80 pretty much, or in the low 80s pretty much. I have been buying, bringing down my cost per share to $85.02, and I'm gonna continue that streak this week. I'm in the negative by 7%, but I see it as a good opportunity. If we go into the stock analysis tab, which is this one right here, it is down in the last day almost 3%. Then in the last 5 days, when you open it up, it is up over 4% right here. So I kind of have FOMO on this stock right now, but I have a fear of missing out the sale right now. So as you can see right here, it hit the other day, it hit $80. So it looks like it's recovering slowly in the past couple of days. So I want to continue to build this stock or this position right here. In Starbucks, and in the last month, as you can see, it is still down over 10%. So I want to continue to build this position right here. The analysts are calling this a buy, and in this one I have to agree with them. The next one, it is gonna be Johnson & Johnson. Is this one right here. The share price right now is at $149.70. Let's take a look to see what it looks like pre-market today. Johnson & Johnson, it is up to $150 again. So it's up almost a quarter of a percent. So it's recovering slowly again. This one went down even into the mid 140s. Let me open up in the last month. Yeah, if you can see right here, into $144 in the last month. It went down. So I'm going to be buying some more Johnson & Johnson. This is one that I really like. Anytime it is under $160, such a reliable company. They've been paying their dividend for 60 years, over 60 years. They've been growing and paying their dividend. So this is a reliable company, in my opinion. Of course, always do your research, right? But those are my two focuses this week, once again, pretty much. And if I have anything extra, maybe a cup of coffee into Realty Income, which I'm down almost 10%. I've been buying and buying this company right here. My cost per share is $57. I've just been buying this year, or pretty much since they took a big dip. Been building this position. This one is a monthly payer, so I like that too. And then Vici also. Vici is another one in the real estate sector that I want to continue to build this position right here. So I'll probably put a cup of coffee into each one of those. Visa, I'm gonna be leaving for Monday because I don't have any extra money. I have it in my weekly challenge, and as you can see right here, it is my 15 position. It was in the last spot right here in the 16 spot, but right now it is in the 15 spot. So it's growing slowly. I've been building this position very nicely, and hopefully I get to invest in it at $1,000 this year. I just started this position this year, planning on holding very long term, hopefully forever, right? But you can never say that about any company because one day you will move on, most likely. No companies last forever, but hopefully Visa will be like a Johnson & Johnson, that it just continues to be a strong company decade after decade. So that's my plan with Visa right there. So I'm going to leave it for Monday. And then ChemView is also another one. I want to really build this position also right here. One cup of coffee at a time, I'm okay. I have some time with this one. It's one of my newest positions. And I'm sure one stock that I really wanted to talk about today too, which is probably one that is in your portfolio, right now, and you're definitely happy this week, right? It's gonna be Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Did you dance this week in your living room when you saw the earnings? Because right now, a lot of people are definitely happy. If you see in the last 5 days, it is up over 10%. Over 10%, this stock is up right now. Dividend yield right now, if you pick up any shares, it's only 0.02%. So it's very, very small. But one good thing is that they announced a 10-to-1 stock split effective June 7. So for any stocks that you hold right now, that you own, you get, for one stock you get 10. So you get another 9 shares on top of the share that you have or that you hold right now. So how many shares do you hold of Nvidia? Do you hold Nvidia also? Please leave it in the comment section and be honest, please. Be honest, because I know a lot of people are very, very happy with Nvidia right now. If you bought a month ago, you would have gotten a 23% return. I don't know. Should I have added this one into my growth portfolio or maybe into my dividend portfolio? It is a dividend stock, so I should have probably have put this stock, or should I have added it into my portfolio. But there's just so much hype around it that I'm just so nervous about it. And I know I do see the financials, which we're going to take a look in a minute. But I do see them growing and growing and growing, which is great. It's good. But let's open up the year to date. If you bought at the beginning of the year, you would have had a 110% return. That is crazy. You would have bought shares at $475. If you would have bought a couple shares at $475, you would have doubled your money already. Pretty much. A little bit over doubled your money right now. So as you can see right here, 110%. And then if you open up the 1 year right here, boom, over 240%. Last year, a year ago, the shares were at $305. So this is the one good thing about buying and hold. If you buy, hold, and go through these upsides, your portfolio sees so much in gains. And right now, if you see, the pre-market is still going up as I'm recording this video. And look, it's up 0.5% right now. Everybody is just buying and buying and buying. And you can see it just continues to go up 0.51% already. And right here, if you would have bought a year ago, 243%, that's just crazy. And if we go into the financials and you open up the revenue, this is why it just continues to go up and up and up, from $26 billion in 2022 to $61 billion. So they pretty much almost triple their revenue in just 1 year. And if we go into the forecast, because this is interesting right here, you see the revenue. And the revenue is just expected to continue growing and growing and growing. It will slow down, it looks like, according to the analysts and what they are expecting, right? It looks like the revenue growth is going to slow down later in the years. But as of right now, they're expecting, of course, it went up 125% in 2023. But they're still expecting it to grow in 2024, 84%. And with this 10-to-1 stock split, I'm sure once it splits, the price is just going to continue to go up and up and up this year. So that's what the analysts are expecting. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't want to get caught into FOMO on this one, and then it's just dips. But as of right now, they're expecting very nice growth. The revenue has been growing and growing, which is very, very nice. And the forecast right here, they expect a high of $1,400 in the next 12 months, which is an upside of 34%. The way it's looking like right now, it is going to go up there. So as of right now, it is just this stock is just going up and up and up. And as you can see right here, They are, I think they split this already, if I'm not mistaken, the annual dividend. They already did, they were paying, no, they were paying 4 cents, and then now they got a dividend increase. I forgot how much in percent, but I think it was like over 100%. Right here, as you can see, they were paying 4 cents per share, and now they're paying 16 cents per share. So this one looks really, really good as of right now, but it's mostly share price appreciation. Leave me in the comment section if you hold Nvidia. Honestly, that's just crazy. That's just really crazy. All right, everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button. I really appreciate everyone's support. We're getting closer and closer to 800 subscribers. That is crazy. I could not believe we are almost at 800 subscribers right there. I really appreciate the way the channel is growing. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one Sunday when I announce my buys. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.